James Motes of the class of 2023 will deliver remarks on behalf of the Juris Doctor graduates in the evening division.
Friends and colleagues, families and well-wishers, thank you for joining us this morning. Before I begin in earnest, I would like to wish all of the mothers in attendance a very happy, very blessed Mother's Day. From a grateful son and husband who would not be here without the support, love, and occasionally necessary humbling, thank you to all of the mothers for everything you do and everything you are. My own mother, Rita, is here, and she has been my hero and my model for more than 40 years. My wife, Brittany, is my rock, and without her support and encouragement, I'd quite literally not be here. You see, she drives the family van, and this morning she decided to drive here, and I'm grateful for that. Happy Mother's Day to you both. I'm very sorry that I stole your spotlight for a few minutes, but you both know that's what I do. So my name is Jim Motes, and I represent the evening graduating students, and I've been a student for just about ever. My dear friends, you've been in school for more than 21 years, from kindergarten through JD or Masters of Law. Some of you have proceeded straight through without pausing, and others have taken twists and turns to the military, professional careers, families, and other adventures. It feels good to reach what you might consider the end of your educational journey, and you have every cause to celebrate it. But your education isn't finished. In truth, life is about learning. Life is about marching forward in progress or being sucked backwards into stagnation. Every attorney, every legal professional, every professor I've spoken to in this matter has said that we cannot remain the same lawyers that exist in our society today. We must be more. We must do more. We must build on the past, and we must believe and act and create more for the future. Don't get me wrong, our predecessors have created a brilliant, if overly complicated, system. But it falls to us to bring that system forward. And if we stay unmoved and unchanged, then our system will stagnate. Instead, we must embrace a theory and practice of lifelong education. I've been a teacher and educator for 23 years. One thing I did with my students was to enact a practice that I called Motes' Law. This means that whenever we're about to talk about something that's sensitive and shouldn't leave the room, we say Motes' Law. Literally what I say to them is Motes' Law means don't get me fired. But what my students probably don't realize is that Motes' Law isn't for their benefit. It's for mine. Motes' Law reminds me that sensitive topics needed to be treated just that way, sensitively. No significant topic is wholly inappropriate if taken seriously, compassionately, and with the proper judgment and decorum. Education and understanding should be shared, not subjected to gatekeeping. And we have a sacred duty to make future generations safer, smarter, kinder, and better prepared for success. In today's world, we shouldn't flee from difficult conversations, such as those about diversity and inclusion, but embrace them openly, honestly, genuinely, and sincerely. We need to recognize our privilege, and we need to recognize the lens it creates in our everyday perspectives. But we also need to let other people own their own lenses and not shatter them or distort them. If their lenses are blinders, then no amount of arguing will remove them. We need to take care of our own lenses and gently provide others with the opportunity to recognize the cloudiness of their own. In closing, with particular thanks to my father, Chuck Motes, and to Professor Audrey Chapman from the School of Public Health, I'd like to share a quote from the Roman statesman Marcus Tullius Cicero, who wrote in his treatise De Legibus about laws. Salus populi suprema lex esto. The welfare of the people is the highest law. Remember that no matter who your clients or your employers are, we have a principal duty to the law itself and to those who are governed by the law. Thank you all. Congratulations to my friends and colleagues. And remember to always do good and to do good well.